Hello guys, good morning. This is James the Hitmos. Morning dito ngayon. Welcome to my channel. Today, pupunta kami ng Vegas kasama kong ninang ko. Siya yung second mom ko dito sa Amerika. Tapos kasama niya rin siguro yung asawa niya. So mga 5 kami tsaka yung tita ko. It's been like 2 years yata or more than 2 years na hindi kami nakapunta sa Vegas. So guys, nandito na ako sa bahay ng ninang ko. Dadalhin ko lang yung breakfast. Then alis na kami, lalagyan na kami doon papuntang Las Vegas. So I'll see you guys in there. Maybe like 3 or 4 hours, depends how fast we're gonna go. And guys, if you guys like this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Hello Gohan, how are you? Have you been good? Ay, talagang hiniga niya uncle oh. Gusto niya pawak ng tiyan niya? Higa, lay down, sit naman yan eh. Shake hands. The other one, there you go. Down ba? Down. Alam na alam, baka gusto humingi ng treats na naman. Slooch. Aba, pogi. Good boy. Shake. The other side, the other hand. There you go. Good job.
The other side. Down. Snooch. Up.
Outlet guys, Barstow Outlet.
This is the Barstow Outlet. I think James will stop by here to get me some branded. It's so windy here guys. We're approaching Las Vegas, Nevada.
Guys, nandito na tayo sa Pegiso. Saan yung Pegiso?
Okay.
Try niya lang pala yun. Yata dead body na to? Ay, wala ba?
Oo, hindi. May nakikita mo na yung rim.
2 hours na lang, malapit na kami sa Vegas. So guys, keep an eye on Vegas. Keep an eye.
What should I say?
The ghost town. We're
We
passing
are
by
passing by the ghost town, but hey guys, it's drizzling here. It's 105 degrees, but it's how amazing nature is. It's drizzling. 105 degrees. Oh my gee.
Oh, your G.
All right, we're entering here. Let me see what we can see from here. It's so amazing.
Well, the camera, please. Wow. The beauty.
Piggy Sue's is on the right corner.
The beauty.
It says
Peggy Sue,
good
50s.
food, ice cream, and pizza. How that sound like with you guys? Do you think that's a good food? Right now we have Shell gas station, next exit, and Subway, or what's DQ? Crunchy chicken. Not really a fan of it.
Uber driver doesn't have his earrings.
I forgot.
Oh, you forgot.
Alright.
Oh, just go by in Vegas.
Now this is Ghost Town Road on right lane.
Oh, lobster slots.
Maybe
yeah, you know,
we can
it's
see
raining
some
80
ghosts
years.
here because it's
Oh,
Ghost Town.
Ninang. Oh,
Yes, ghost
Ano,
town.
merong ano, casway to.
Elevation 3,000 feet.
Hello peeps, we're only about an hour away from our destination, which is the Sin City, Las Vegas. See you there. Hi, we're at 4,000 feet elevation. On the right side you can find a lot of rattlesnake. That will be our dinner tonight. On the left side we have coyotes and squirrels and raccoons. That's for our lunch tomorrow. See you then.
I see birds and trees.
I see roads and mountains.
Salita ka naman precise.
Those and trees.
Precise.
I see them.
That is a precise.
For me.
Okay guys, rest area kami ngayon. Medyo mainit dito, ano, 3 degrees siya, 3 digits, mga 119 na yung init. So, nandito kami sa rest area, hindi lang, kakatatae, joke. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung itsura ng rest area dito. Guys, mga isang oras na lang kami sa Vegas, malapit na. 1 hour driving na lang. Dire-diretso na namin ito para makarating ng medyo maaga. 2 o'clock yung ano kasi, yung 2 o'clock yung check-in. So, isang oras na lang. Papahinga lang kami ito, mga siguro mga 10 minutes din. Alis na. Alright, so I'll see you guys when we get there. Anong dinudukot mo dyan? Soda.
Soda.
Ang daming soda.
You guys want something to drink? Ano?
There's water.
I got this out. You want it?
Ay, okay pa ako, Ninang. Mataas ang sugar ng
You want the iced tea?
water.
Green tea?
Water lang. Ayaw kong ano kasi baka maihi ako eh.
O, Sprite.
Sprite.
You want drinks, ha?
Meron na siya. May Gatorade na.
Ito na lang sa akin. Ikaw, what do you want?
I'm good, thank you.
May pagkain.
Nandun sa harap.
According to our GPS behind me, we're only 44 minutes away from our destination, which is the Sin City, Las Vegas, Nevada. Oh my gosh, it's 113 degrees outside, folks, and I got burned right away for that just 3 seconds. Would you believe it? Alright, until next time, see you soon.
Guys, nandito na kami, nakapark, nakahanap kami ng parking lot. Magbubuhat na kami ng mga bag. Tapos mag-check-in na kami. So guys, may mga dalahin ako. Mag-check-in na kami, hanapin lang namin yung entrance papuntang casino, tapos check-in na kami. Ninang nasa likod. Yun. Sila. So guys, yung dalawa medyo mabigat pero kayang-kaya. So guys, mga 90% ng mga tao dito ngayon sa Vegas hindi na masyadong nagmamask. So, pero kami nagmamask pa rin kami for safety. Pero halos lahat ng nandito wala nang mask.